conference. If you are just joining us, with me in studio, our co-chairperson Claire Peterson and Winnie Butler. Thank you so much again for being with us. Let's get right into it. Tell us about the upcoming conference and who some of the guest speakers are.
Okay, this is our 14th Guam Diabetes Conference, and I want to stress it's free admission, and it will be on November 10th at the Hilton Guam Resort and Spa, and it will be hosted by the Guam Diabetes, of course, in partnership with the Guam Nurses Association, the Department of Public Health, and the University of Santo Tomas Alumni Association of Guam. I'm a member.
Okay. And now there's really just a whole bunch of speakers that are going to be presenting, right?
Yes.
Let's start with, I guess, if you could tell us a little bit about who they are and where they're from.
Okay. We have 3 guest speakers. And we have Dr. Michael Manalansai, and he's an MD, and he has a lot of fellow credentials. I don't know. Maybe the medical community can will tell us what's
right.
FPPS, FPSN, FP, and
it sounds important.
I have those in their bio, but you know, we're lay people, so I'll just say that. Anyway, Dr. Manalansai is from Davao, but he also graduated from University of Santo Tomas, and he is an endocrinologist, and he's a consultant at Davao Doctors Hospital. And our theme is diabetes compliance is the key to success. So all of them will talk about this, about the compliance, you know. And we have Dr. John Gimmer Flanders. He's a DO. So, and he has a lot of fellow also, FACP and FACC. Okay, Dr. Rubio, help me out, you know. Anyway, Dr. John Flanders, he's the medical director of the Mountain Pacific Quality Health Group, and they're actually in charge of Medikeeper in Guam, so about Medicare, and they have their own diabetes program, you know, and they're helping us too, you know.
So people are really going to get some wonderful advice, and again, you wanted to stress it's completely free, so this is definitely something that people need to attend. Now there's also going to be, I understand, a panel discussion, correct?
Yes. So we also have, well, the last one is Dr. Rinaldo Rosales. He's an MD, also FPCP and FPSEM. He is from St. Luke's Hospital, you know, and he's the endocrinologist from St. Luke's. So we have all these specialists, you know, and these are our 3 guest speakers. And we have the panel discussion speakers. We have one speaker that's from off-island, which is Dr. Patria Manalansai. Actually, she's the spouse of Dr. Michael Manalansai, and she's the dean of nursing and of the Ateneo University of Davao, and from the Philippines, you know. And she's an RN, she's an MPA, MAN, and PhD. She has a PhD. And Clara can say about the local
Yeah, and we're really blessed to have such great doctors here on island, and they're very, very participatory in any of the functions and events that we have. We have Dr. John Ray Titano, and I'm sure everybody knows Dr. Titano. We also have Dr. Joel Mark Rubio, Dr. Rubio, and we also have Agnes White. And we are very, very blessed to have all of these panel speakers. And they will join us throughout the event. And so not only will they provide information, but the participants are able to ask any kind of questions that they may have.
Right. Yeah, and I was going to ask, who are you guys targeting that you want to attend the conference?
We target the whole community. We have students attending, you know, because I email some of the health instructor in the schools, And then they said, please let your students attend, you know, and give them credit for incentive, you know. And they'll do that. And also the senior citizens and the center, we send out all the registrations form to the centers. And
how many people are you guys expecting?
I think in the years past, we have starting off from 800, and we've even had as many as 1,000 people. And what it is there's 2 sessions. One it starts at 8, and the other one starts at 1. And of course there'll be refreshments, and with a lot of information from our guest speakers and our panel participants. We do want everyone on the island to attend, because you never know. Your parents, your brothers, your uncles, your aunts, they may be diabetic, and just I think the problem here in Guam is lack of information. A lot of people don't even know what diabetes is, and until they come to a function like this, they'll truly understand the impact of what diabetes is and how it can affect you.
Now, if you go to the first session, do you have to go to the second? It's a full day affair?
It's pretty much repetitive. That's how we are able to accommodate
so many people.
So many people. Right.
Well, you know, congratulations. It's an amazing panel. How long did it take for you guys to prepare and plan this event?
Well, this is 14 years in the making, so I think after a while we'll get it down pat. But you know, we are very, very fortunate to have major sponsors. You know, like, for example, United was able to bring in the doctors, and then you have the Hilton, and you know, the PDN, and you guys, and Mariana's Variety for advertising. It's through our community, and I'll tell you, Guam is a very giving community, and if it wasn't for the sponsors, we would not have this possible. But we do want as many people to come.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in. Any final comments, Claire,
I just
Winnie?
want to add that Bank of Guam this year is a major sponsor. He's their platinum, and also the Pangasinan Bingo, you know, the Federation of Pangasinan. They're also our major sponsor, as well as Mariana's Variety. Those are our major sponsors, Coachuless Island, and I think Clara mentioned United already. And can I mention just the Diamond?
Okay, go ahead.
We have the Diamond sponsors, DFS Galleria, the Hilton, St. Luke's Medical Center. We have the Take Care, the Guam Regional Medical City. We have the Mobile, Glucerna, Quaker Oats, Documarine, Nambo, and Docomo. We have a lot more, but thank you anyway, all the sponsors.
If it wasn't for all of you, this would not have been possible. And please, everyone out there, you know somebody, or even you don't know anyone that has diabetes, this is your opportunity to learn about it. It can actually change your life.
All right. Thank you so much again. Good luck at the conference. Stay tuned.